Hey guys, today I'm going to be making cloud slime, and if you hear any background noises, it is because my dad is cooking and my mom is watching a TV show. And my dad just burnt himself with oil. So let's go ahead and start, and I'm going to try to make cloud slime. So I don't know how much glue I should add. I'm just going to eyeball it to the point where it looks good. Yeah, this looks good. Alrighty. Oh my god, I forgot to get a mixing tool. I will be right back. I just got this because my dad is cooking, and the thing that I have to use to mix it is over there. So yeah, so I'm mixing it in one drop because I'm trying to go for light blue here. This is gonna take kind of a long time to mix with this thing because it's very skimpy at the end. It's looking pretty. It looks like that nail art thing where you would put in like, I think like base of a nail polish, and you would put some nail polish, and then you would mix it up and it would make those pretty patterns. And then you would dip your nail in there. I will be right back when you guys. So I finished mixing it up and I added some shaving cream. And I used something different to mix it with. I found something. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this slime activated. And I'll see you in a moment. So, excuse my mom. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put the pad in water. Not a tampon. A pad. In water. And then you're going to have to cut it open. And if you see something mushy, like in the snow. Hi.
We have to have this conversation.
Hello.
500 and something.
Dad, there's something wrong with you. And then you have to cut it open so that big pad on that. You're gonna need more than one pad, and you're gonna need something to put that weird stuff on. So yeah, I just got back from doing that. Look at this stuff. It feels so nasty. I don't even want to touch it. It's like jelly. My hands are wet because I had to do it with water. I don't know. The sticker's coming off. I'm trying to open it, but I can't. Oh, there we go. I'm so weak. There's my father.
That is a hardcore peak. That is a peak meant for people that are like.
So now I'm going to get the mixer. I'm just going to poke it around, poke it with this slime. It's kind of make it sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and get my other mixer I was using earlier. Please excuse my parents. They're watching my 600-pound wife, if you can see it over there. It's kind of light. It's going to look light for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some. I only used one pad. There's a lot of this jelly in there. Hi.
Hello.
Now, you don't want to because you can't get pain meds. I mean, really?
Wow.
You lose 340 pounds.
So now I'm going to mix it. It's so nasty.
And that's some bullshit because as the day
So
goes by,
it's looking...
Terry, your mother is recording.
Yeah, I know. It is having an effect on
Language.
the slime.
No, you can watch whatever. I'm just saying what you say.
Yeah, it's okay if you watch it.
as the days go by,
Alright, so I need
the pain
a red, 2 greens, and the rice.
Yeah.
I think.
It's not how,
Alright,
Yeah, that's
I
what
saw
you were
that.
saying earlier.
after his surgery, he was in.
Oh my god. This is so nasty.
All right.
I just can't deal.
Somebody flipped a switch.
It's kind of sticky.
Nasty.
I'm just gonna...
Since then.
I'm gonna go ahead and get something else to put this in.
Stay with him every night and kind of.
take a few minutes for me. Bowl.
Funny, because
Did you hear the way it sounded? They said bowl.
Right, they know exactly how to
There's
do that.
me
Yep.
right there. I don't know why it's doing that. So I'm gonna use this. Not so sticky for it. I'm just gonna start mixing. But it definitely is having an effect on the slime.
I haven't slept here every night? Are you kidding?
Every night?
It's
No.
like for 3 nights?
No. 3 nights? No.
3 nights. 2 that I had to go to an interview for, and then 1 night because I needed to go home.
My grandmother is coming out right now. Versus a weird dad, then the one who's hooked up on my 600-pound life, aka my mom. And my grandma is coming outside now. And she showered early because she wants to watch the boring Oscars.
He can convince Rob to get up and get back to walking.
Oh my god, it is working! Mom! It's working! I think it's working! Because it's getting nice and stringy like how it's supposed to be. Oh my god, it might be working! I will be back when I'm done eating this. So, I finished, but I realized that I didn't have enough pads. But it's kind of like cloud slime. Sorry about the background noises, but I'm going to try to see if I can do some ASMR. My dad's probably going to come over here and say the hello the weird way. Just. Oh man, I was also almost done. Because I did it off camera, but I can't do it on camera. Oh. Oh my god, it's inflating itself. I'm gonna pop it. Boom. Just gonna. You're dancing on my table. I'm just gonna put this in the steam.
Are you done with all this?
Yes. Or as I should say, C.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it loud ASMR. Let me see if I can make a slime swirl with this. It's kind of liquidy, if you know what I mean. It's a pretty good slime swirl, but not really. Oh my god. Oh, no. The paper got stuck to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream, a little bit. Oh yeah. Just gonna put the thing upside down. Look at that. That is so great. And I don't know how people with usual regular videos, they get their camera to be like above whatever they're doing. I don't know how they do that. I mean, there's still a little bit in there. I mean, I could still try to put some in there. And I will be right back when that is done. My bites. I'm wearing this small tank top. It was from PS. And it is a 7 to 8, and I'm a 10 to 12 now. Yeah, daddy. I will be right. So, that concludes my video. I will see you next time, David. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.